Hello guys, welcome back. I have an iPhone, and let me show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. At the very beginning, you need to connect your device to your PC. Here's my cable. Let me connect my phone right here. Then you need to use the following combination. Press volume up, volume down, and when you press these two keys, start holding the side key for a long time. Keep holding the side key for a couple of seconds. The Apple logo pops up, but you have to keep holding it. Now you can release the power key, and, as you can see, this is the recovery mode. Now in iTunes you can restore your iPhone or just update your software. If you'd like to quit recovery mode, it's also very easy. Use the same combination, press volume up, volume down, and keep holding the side button. The phone goes black. Keep holding the power key, and now you can see the Apple logo release power, and wait until your phone boots into normal mode. As you can see, the home screen just pops up, so you can also disconnect the iPhone from your PC and use your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.